In this video, I'm going to show you how to move the robot in joint mode. You probably watched a video on how to move the robot with the wands, trigger, and joystick. There is one more way to move the robot, and that is with joint mode. So the way it works, first off, how you get there, there's two ways. You can hit that right button on the wand, that takes you to joint mode, or you can press the button on the top that looks like a robot, that also takes you to joint mode. Okay, now what joint mode is rather than moving the camera around in space like this, like we did with the wand, we're going to control individually the motors of the robot. So there's 6 motors on this robot, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. The wrist is 5. Down here is 6. We can control those individually. So if I go into joint mode, I've got J1 through 6. All I do is I can tap on either plus or minus for each one of those joints, and it shows me what's going to move and in which direction. So if I say I wanted to just rotate this all the way around just to get it out of the way, it shows that that J1 is going to rotate around that way. All I do now is squeeze the trigger, and there it goes. And I can come back by hitting the positive button and bring it back that way. So this could be really useful, you know, if, for example, you're doing some really crazy moves and you get J4 or J6 all tangled up, and you just need to unwind. You can come back here and do it that way. It's also useful that you can see the joint values down here below, and it lets you know if you are getting close to any of those limits. So that's how you use joint mode. Use it when needed, and thanks for watching.